Hello friends, welcome to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to export 4K video in Premiere Pro. Here's a video I already edited and now I want to export this in 4K. Let's see how to do it. Click on File, click on Export, then click on Media. Click on Format. Select H.264 from this menu. Then click on Presets. We can export YouTube 4K video. We can export mobile device 4K video. Also, we can export high quality 4K video. I'm selecting high quality 4K video. Just simply click on Export button. This is how we can export 4K video in Premiere Pro. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for staying with 5 Minute Solution.